one idiot. Yes, man.
Get 1 star and man run down fast like hot. Just boy out like mushroom. Boy, Mario. Mario.
How that?
It's me and Luigi.
Brother, use your real voice.
What do you mean is?
Alright, turn out there then.
Up in the door.
It's up, man, it's up. Mario, you know you what going? What? Princess. How about princess? Boss are gone with her again. Man. Hey, I ain't that you know? Oh, hey, I'm not thinking I'm going to circle the boy both sides. I'm ready, you know that.
No, brother, princess step on her own now.
What do you mean?
How fool you wanna feel if you make the same brother kidnap you over and over?
But dad.
But nothing, brother. The man named Bouncer. Bouncer. Put 6 and 9 together, you will get with them and deal with.
So, you're not going to save her?
Save what? Brother, princess, we have sense. I'm going like somebody raise her. I'm not like them jug her up like suitcase angle. Supa-Mario, my name, not Superman.
I just social Luigi, my name still, but we not talk about that.
And plus, I want like me have left.
Me can't follow you still, if anything.
Princess, bump